Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Beautiful Art and Craft. It's hope you almost well. Today our drawing. I teach about how to draw a beautiful Medina. To draw a Medina city, you can follow a simple step-by-step process. Here you can approach it. Step 1. Plan the composition. Start by deciding what kind of Madina city you want to draw, whether it's a modern, traditional, or a specific location like Medina in Saudi Arabia with its famous mosque. Think about the key features like buildings, streets, and landmarks that define the city. Step 2. Draw the horizontal line. Start by drawing a horizontal line which will give you a reference point of the placement of building and streets. Step 3. Create a basic layout of building. Lightly sketch a few basic regular shapes for building. Vary the height and size tall depending perspective. If you are drawing a specific city like Medina, you can draw its unique buildings like the mosque or traditional house. Step 4. Add details to building. Add windows, doors, arches, or column to the building to make them look more realistic. For traditional Medinas and small details element like narrow street or decorative features on the building. Draw street and pathways. Sketch the street or pathways connecting the building. The city layout. Make sure the street are sized half curved or intersection. Refine your line. Go over your pencil sketches with darker line. Once you are satisfied with the layout and details, add shading to create depth and make the building look more three-dimensional. Step 9. Final touches. Add some detail like people, vehicles, or market stalls. Please subscribe my channel.